Guys, nag-grill tayo ng lamb patties. Ayan guys. Enjoy the summer. So ayan guys, gibalitad na natin guys. I-twist na natin. Tapos naglagay tayo ng kunting pork dito guys. Ayan. Takpan natin guys. Ayan na guys, luto na ang ating lamb patties. Ayan guys, let's eat na guys.